Assalamualaikum dear students, welcome to Active Learners Point. Welcome in the maths class. This class is for standard first सेमी इंग्लिश उर्दू। तो प्यारे बच्चों, ये क्लास स्टैंडर्ड फर्स्ट के सेमी इंग्लिश उर्दू के तुलबा के लिए है। आर यू रेडी टू लर्न मैथ्स विथ फन? लेट्स लर्न मैथ्स विथ फन। तो चलिए सबसे पहले चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करते हैं, बेल आइकन को दबाते हैं, वीडियो को लाइक करते हैं और शेयर करते हैं। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वी लर्न 11 इन आवर प्रीवियस वीडियो। टुडे वी विल लर्न द नंबर 12। दिस इज 110 matchsticks and 1. This mean these are 11 matchsticks and we add one more matchstick into it. So how many matchsticks do we get? We get 12 matchsticks. 11 and 1 make 12. 11 and 1 make 12. Understood? Very good. Look at this picture. There are 10 blocks and these are 2 blocks. These blocks are 110 and this is 2 units. It means these are 10 and 2 12. 12 blocks all together. How many blocks are there? There are 12 blocks. TWELVE 12. TWELVE 12. Understood? Very good. Look at this picture. How many beads are there in this necklace? There are 10 beads. And how many beads are there? 2 beads. It means how many beads all together? There are 12 beads. This is 110 and 2 unit. 110, 2 unit, 12. Understood? Very good. Dear students, let's learn how to write 12. 110, 2 unit, 12. 110, 2 unit, 12. TWELVE 12. Dear students, you have to trace the 12 in these given boxes. 110, 2 unit 12. 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 Now you have to write in this empty boxes. 110, 2 unit 12. Dear students, write down 12 in these empty boxes. I hope you understood the number 12. Thanks for watching.